Welcome to the NetSuite video series provided by Rank Group. My name is David Torres, and in today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a bill credit and apply it to an open bill. Let's get started. In my previous videos, I've been working with purchase order number 12925. I'm going to use my global search bar to open my purchase order, and here we can see the 10 designer chairs that were ordered from Cooper's Office Furniture. 2 of the chairs that came in had broken chair legs, so we returned them. We can see this under related transactions and vendor return authorizations. Our vendor return authorization is currently pending credit, and to create that bill credit, we need to click this refund button. This will take us to our bill credit form, where most of our information is populated from the other records. Here we can see the amount, the record it was created from, and if we scroll down, we can see the 2 items associated to this bill credit. If we want to apply this bill credit to multiple bills or a single bill, we can click this Apply subtab. As we choose which bill or bills to apply it to, our unapplied and applied fields will automatically update. If I click this bill right here, it will be an amount of $189, but there will be $30 left over in our bill credit. I could choose to apply that to another bill as well. I'll just pay off this bill for $189 and I'll save this. Now our bill credit has been created, and if we want to see which bill that it was applied to, we can go back to this Apply subtab and open the bill. Now we can see the bill has been paid in full, and if we go back to our bill credit, we can see the $30 that has been unapplied in our bill credit. Thank you for watching this video provided by Rank Group. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about NetSuite, feel free to contact us.